Hello everyone, I'm going to talk you through how to clean your blade. Loosen the set screws, but do not remove them. Locate the screws holding the blade adjusters on the side of the trimmer and remove them. You should now be able to remove the blade by pushing on the blade adjusters. Use the blade adjusters as handles to safely remove the blade. Using a utility knife, remove the plant matter buildup. For the next step, you will need MCT oil. Place the blade on a flat surface and spread MCT oil on the length of the blade using a soft cloth. Be very careful when cleaning the edge of the blade. Safely brush the blade with the soft cloth. Remove any surplus of oil on the blade. To install the completed blade, place it on top of the real blade. Pull the blade back into the slot. Lock the blade adjusters using the screws onto each side of the trimmer. Make sure that the blade is centered and that the edges are not outside of the trimmer. Lock the blade set screws. You will need to readjust the blade to its optimal cutting position. To do so, please refer to the guide Adjusting the Blade.